AppleScript that I created to basically find an unknown zip code from an address and populate that zip code onto a spreadsheet. This problem arose because I have a bunch of addresses. I needed the zip codes, and I was going to do it manually. It was going to take me 45 minutes, and I was like, nope, I'm going to write a script. So I spent 2 days writing a script, and at long last, I've finished the script. So I'm just going to do a quick demonstration of it real quick. So how it would work is you'd select the range of the addresses, however many you want. I would maybe not do too many at a time because it might be hard to stop the script while it's running, and it takes a little while. So I'm just going to do like these top 3 right here. So what it's going to do is find the zip code, put the zip code here, and then if there is no column for zip code, like for example, if I delete this column, it will just put another column. It will insert a column here, and you'll see it'll go right between the state and the column, and it will insert a column for zip code. So let's just run the script. So you saw it inserted right there. So it goes into Maps, pastes the entire address, copies the result out of Maps for the first result that pops up when you search, and then it will, in here you can see it's parsing out the zip code from that link, and then copies it and then goes back over to numbers and pastes it right into the spreadsheet there. So this will be the last one when it finishes, and you can see right there I got the 3 zip codes. And so like this one didn't have the state, and these did, but it still found the zip code. So it doesn't matter what all information you have. The only thing is, if you don't have enough information, it's just going to take the first result. So if there's like 2 of these addresses and one of them is in like Utah, and for some reason Apple Maps just picks Utah as the first result, that zip code will be the one that populates. So it's good to have pretty much as much information as you can, just to ensure that it works properly. And so there are 2 scripts actually running here. So this is the script here for all the going back and forth between Maps and text edit, and this is the script to handle the numbers part of it. So if you have a different application where you need to just find a zip code with an address and you're not in numbers, then you can just run this one, and that'll work. And then just another couple of other limitations on the AppleScript. So you can only have the address can be spread out over a maximum of 3 cells. I don't know why it would ever be more than that unless you had like United States, but that's assumed. So 3 cells is the maximum. And then let's see, I did have a whole bunch of other instructions here. The cells must be next to each other and in the order you'd write them. Okay, because what happens is the script takes these 3 and just puts it into one string and just copies that to the clipboard. So if these are out of order, it will copy them to the string out of order, and it won't type correctly, or Maps won't understand when you type that in there. And then, yeah, there's no way to ensure that I didn't put anything in there to check that this is actually like an address. So if you put a bunch of random data in there, it's still going to go through the whole process, and something will populate there. I don't know what will, but that's about it. So I've linked both of these scripts in the description, and you can just go download them, modify them if you want to, whatever. I don't care. I did all the work, and I want at least someone more than myself to benefit from it. So there you go. Thanks for watching.